Stop by and take a look at the 2022 Equinox. Fuel efficiency, safety, and value equals the Chevy Equinox. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, lane departure warning, remote start, traction control, stability control, keyless entry, backup camera, Bluetooth, driver airbag. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.